nice to see you again. Welcome back to this video and let's talk about asking and giving direction. Are you ready? Let's get it. Well, yang pertama, we will talk about asking direction. Dalam bahasa Indonesia, berarti meminta petunjuk arah atau jalan. Nah, ada beberapa hal yang harus kita perhatikan. Yang pertama, we should say the greeting. We can say, excuse me, or excuse me, could you help me please? Or, may I ask you a minute, sir, or ma'am? Dan yang kedua, we can describe the condition. We can say, sorry, I'm not from around here. Or, I am new here. Atau, I am lost. And we can also say, I seem to be lost. Okay? Aturan selanjutnya yang perlu kita perhatikan, and asking direction, kita menggunakan modal auxiliary. Kita bisa pakai can, could, will, would like, and many more. Kita juga menggunakan WH question words. Umumnya kita memakai what, where, and how. Dan kita juga menggunakan interrogative sentences for to be and to do. Now let's see some expressions that we can use when we are asking direction. Jadi ada beberapa kalimat yang bisa kita gunakan ketika kita menanyakan petunjuk arah. Yang pertama, kita bisa bilang, excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the hotel please? Yang kedua, kita juga bisa bilang, how can I get to the market? Or, how do I get to the office? Atau kita juga bisa bilang, can you tell me the way to the hotel? Or, kita juga bisa bilang, do you know where is the hospital? And many more. Okay, that's all about asking direction. Now let's move and let's talk about giving direction. In bahasa Indonesia, giving direction artinya memberikan petunjuk arah. So, if someone asks direction to us, kalau ada yang bertanya arah, kita bisa giving the direction atau memberikan petunjuk arah. Well, in giving direction, ada beberapa kosakata yang perlu kita ketahui. Yang pertama, untuk verbs atau kata kerja, kita bisa bilang turn left atau belok kiri, turn right atau belok kanan, go straight ahead atau terus lurus, go past atau lewati, and cross, seberangi, and many more. Selanjutnya yang perlu kita ketahui adalah prepositions of place. I will give you some example. Yang pertama, we can say at the corner of atau di sudut. Then we can also say next to atau di samping. Or we can also say opposite atau di depan. And we can also say between atau di antara, and many more. I will give you more examples for prepositions of place. So, let's get to the list. Yang pertama, in, di dalam, on, di atas, under, di bawah, in front of, di depan, behind, di belakang, next to, I've already told you, it's di samping, above, also di atas, below, di bawah, between, it's di antara, on the left, di sebelah kiri, opposite, di depan, I've already told you also, and on the right, di sebelah kanan. And many more ya. Selanjutnya kita juga perlu untuk mengetahui landmark yang ada, misalnya seperti traffic lights atau lampu lalu lintas, crossroads atau persimpangan, di junction atau pertigaan, roundabout atau bundaran, signpost atau papan penunjuk jalan, dead end atau jalan buntu, flyover atau jembatan layang, bridge atau jembatan, mosque, masjid, and then church, gereja, and many more. Nah, sekarang let's see some examples of expressions yang bisa kita gunakan dalam giving directions. Okay, number 1, yang pertama, we can say, go straight ahead until you see the hospital, then turn left. Yang kedua, we can say, turn right at the end of the road. Dan yang ketiga, kita bisa bilang, the hospital is next to the bank. Okay, now, perhatikan conversation between Millie and Ryan about asking and giving direction. Excuse me, I am looking for a bank. Could you show me the way?
Sure. Go straight along the street until you see the traffic light. After you see the traffic light, turn left. You will see the bank on the corner of the street.
Oh, thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome.
Well, that's all. Now you know how to ask and give direction, aren't you? But if you have any questions, you can put it down below, and don't forget to visit our social media for more information. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in the next video, and bye-bye.